Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this to the Toyota ts050 hybrid, and we're gonna open it and see the old one and the new release one and see what's the difference between these two. Alright, so let's start with the video. Let's go. So on the body, no matter the spoiler or the body itself, even though the stickers, they both are exactly same. So there's no difference between the body. So let's see the next. Okay, so on the gear ratio for both car, everything, they both are 3.5 high-speed gear, and even though the terminal, everything are exactly same. Okay, so there's no difference between these two. Okay, so now we talk about the different part. But for the parts, it's all both are black, and the difference between the chassis, the regular one is the ABS, the old one. Okay, and for the new one, that is reinforced MA chassis, and that's for the new one. Okay, so now we talk about the wheels and tires. So for the wheels, both cars giving the exactly same wheels, no matter the color or the size or the material, everything is just the regular medium-sized wheels. Okay, but for the tire, the old one, it comes with is the medium-sized, low-profile, and soft tire. Okay, so you can see I'm pressing, and that's soft tire. And the new one comes with the hard tire. Without the lettering, so it's a super hard tire. So now this is the difference between old one and new one. Okay, so now we can know that those two, the difference is first one chassis, one is regular and the other one is reinforced chassis, and the second, the old one comes with the soft, medium, low profile tire, and the new one comes with the super hard, medium, low profile tires. Okay, so for those two, if I'm going to buy those two, obviously I would go for this one because the stuff it comes with is a little bit better. I know the price is gonna be a little bit higher, but I prefer the unit it comes with the better parts. So which means even though I get this one, then if I have to go get the extra chassis or upgrade tires, then why I'm not just going to the one come with already. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much.